Want to create an Instagram feed that stops people mid-scroll? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to plan an irresistible Instagram feed using Canva, quickly, easily, and in a way that'll keep your audience coming back for more. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your feed, Canva is the perfect tool to help you design a cohesive and visually stunning layout. The first step, head over to Canva and type Instagram feed in the search bar. This gives you access to hundreds of ready-made templates designed specifically for Instagram. From minimalist styles to bold, vibrant layouts, there's something for every vibe. Once you find a template that matches your style, click Customize this template. This is where the fun begins. You can tweak colors, swap fonts, add your images, and adjust layouts so everything feels completely unique to your brand or personal style. Don't rush this part. Your feed should tell a story and feel consistent because consistency is what keeps people engaged. Next, focus on the text. Edit captions, headlines, or any overlay text so it reflects your voice. Even small typography choices can make a huge difference in how professional and cohesive your feed looks. Play around with every element until it feels just right. Canva's interface makes it super easy to experiment without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, download your design in a high-quality format like PNG or JPG, perfect for Instagram uploads. And remember, the real secret to a feed that wows, keep your style consistent across every post. When your feed looks intentional and visually unified, it's not just pretty, it becomes memorable. Now you're ready to create an Instagram feed that truly stands out, attracts attention, and keeps your followers coming back for more. So grab your Canva, start designing, and watch your Instagram transform.